I'm Lacey Ahern. I'm with Global Partners in Care. We're based in Indiana in the United States. And basically, we work with partners around the globe to enhance access to palliative care. So we help support networks and opportunities to share knowledge and learn from one another. The African Palliative Care Association is one of our closest partners. Yeah, we have a number of programs we do together. We actually work together to support national associations across Africa, including the Botswana National Hospice and Palliative Care Association. We also support training opportunities for healthcare workers to train in palliative care. And mostly, we work around exchange of knowledge. It's not just learning from the U.S. into Africa, but actually we learn a lot about how to do palliative care in Africa, and we take that learning back to our colleagues in the United States. Well, because people are our greatest resource. So if we're training and equipping and learning across, it's people who will carry that forward and build palliative care out into communities where it's accessible to everyone in need, so people are not dying from preventable suffering. Well, at first, I just have to say what a beautiful country Botswana is, and it's been very wonderful and welcoming for us to come here. It's a lovely place to host a conference, so we've really enjoyed being here. The most impressive thing I've heard from the teams throughout this conference is the idea of innovation. But it's not just innovation like technology. You might think that's it, but it's actually innovation. One of our colleagues earlier said, it's just thinking of things in a new way. All of us can innovate in every day and everything we do. We can be innovative in order to advance palliative care. It's really important to actually integrate palliative care into primary health care systems, and that's how we're going to make palliative care sustainable. So we encourage governments and ministers to integrate palliative care into the primary health care system. But the other thing we can do is work in partnership and work collaboratively to actually unlock additional funding opportunities. When the government and the civil society come together in partnership, it actually can leverage more funding from other donors. Still.